house. Yes, enough is enough. Leave my house before I lose my husband. Yes! Quiet as I speak. Mom, I said get out before I lose the only child I have now. Get out!
Trudy,
don't let me push you.
Where do you want me to go?
Anywhere. You are a witch.
Me, a witch?
Yes.
Ah!
Albert said it.
Oh!
Oh no, she.
Oh,
no, she only
me, a witch?
Yes, you did it to Benny.
Oh,
and I will not allow you.
I
will not look at you. Quiet!
Trudy.
Out!
Trudy, what has come over you?
Get out!
What has come over you?
Get out before I get angry.
You hurt me, please.
I will not look at you to kill Priska for me. Now out.
Me?
Out, mother.
God help me.
Mother!
Who will believe me?
Mother, out!
Who will believe me?
I don't even know. I can't even believe if you're my real mother. I can't believe
Daddy, come back.
you're my mother.
Come back.
I can't believe it. You're a witch. Out! Out before I go. Please.
You tear my dress.
Out!
Leave me alone. Hey!
Mother, get out.
You will hurt me.
I really do not want to push you, but if you push me, I will do it.
If you hurt me, you will take me to the hospital.
Out! Witchcraft! Get out!
Jesus
Out!
Jesus Christ, help me.
Get out, mother.
What has come
You are
over you?
witch! Why? You killed my daughter and you want to kill the rest for me? You want to kill my husband?
Trudy, what has come over you? Why? The Lord is my shepherd. I shall know what.
Mother, don't annoy me. Don't annoy me.
Please, Trudy, please.
I say out. Out.
Go.
Out.
Trudy.
Out,
you
mother.
hurt me. I'm your mother.
I say out.
I'm your mother.
Out.
Jesus Christ, this woman.
Yes, Albert said it. He
I
said
go
it.
to-
When Albert threw you out,
Where do you want me to go?
I went
Where
fighting
do you
for
want
you.
me to go?
Where?
Trudy, I'm not a
Go
witch,
to
I'm
the
telling
bush.
you. I am not.
Go to the bush.
Trudy,
Go. Mom, leave my house. Oh, leave my house.
I've been here with you for some months.
Yes, and you killed one of my children. You did.
I am not a witch.
And you killed one of my children.
Me killed your
Yes,
child.
as if you're watching TV.
God forbid.
You've sacrificed my
Kill
child
my
for
own
position.
granddaughter.
Out! Don't annoy me. Out!
You will hurt me, Trudy.
Do I care? Look, she's finding a place to sit. Out! Say, out! Whoa, and you're not picking anything out.
Let me take my
You're
things.
not picking
Trudy,
it.
let me take
I
my
bought
things.
them for you. When I was you out, I bought new clothes for you.
Take
Out!
my things.
Go! Go!
Let me.
Quick, go out! Let you what? Out! Witch! 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 Out and stop talking. Out!
Trudy, dear, you have to go to bed. I believe wherever your husband is safe. Why at this moment sitting down here? Please go.
Ah! Will you leave me alone, mother?
Trudy, your attitude towards me these days have changed. You don't regard me as your mother again. Why?
Look, mother, if you don't feel like sleeping, walk out. Yes. Don't get me angry. What have I done? Why did I wrong you? Why?
Hey.
Huh?
Hey.
sweetheart. You are awake.
Yeah. Oh my God. So why did you get up so early?
I got up because I wanted to get up so early.
Oh, come on, that's not fair.
So tell me, how was it last night?
Oh, come on. You know, you were very good. You know, I was so proud of you.
Oh yeah, thank you.
Oh, you did very good.
And now that the boy is back, I think from now you're gonna smile on me.
Of course, every night and morning. If you don't mind.
Oh, I don't mind.
Because you know how long I miss it for.
And it's back. It's back for good. For good.
But hey, I guess now you know you will believe everything I tell you.
Yes, I will.
See, I was telling you it was your mother's fault. It was, please. Like I need to, to talk, it needs to be out of me so I can be so free. Let me talk, please. I told you your mother was a witch. You didn't want to believe it. I guess now you believe it, right?
I believe you, right?
But
you know what?
one more favor?
I think we have to go and see the pastor. We have to go and thank him for all these directions now. I'm a mama.
Oh.
I'm a full mom.
So when can we go?
Maybe this afternoon, right?
Yeah, that's fine with me. But can you do me one more favor?
Favor?
Yes.
Yeah, tell me. Oh, naughty girl. You're naughty.
Ken, please. You know I hate seeing you like this, okay? What is the problem? Hello?
My house is on fire.
Your house is on fire?
Yes.
Is it because of me or what?
Not you.
Then what is it?
Could you believe that my wife has brought the mother to stay with us? And this has caused a lot of confusion in the home. You know, this woman has had a reputation of being a witch.
Witch?
You see, I like this woman, but I can't allow her to destroy my home just like that.
That is serious. But you know what, Kane? Believe me. Please. Believe me. Everything is going to be alright, okay? Okay?
Okay.
I cooked something special and it's your favorite. So let me get you a drink to ease your tension whilst I set the table, alright?
Alright, I am.
Give me a smile for that. A kiss, please. Coming. Here you are. Let me set the table right there. Don't spoil my day for me. Okay.
everything alright?
No, brother, no. He told me about mother. Brother, you said it. But I was here defending her. I regret having her in my house.
It's okay. Don't worry. It's okay. Baby, you stop crying. Let's go outside. Let's go outside. Let's go and talk outside. Leave your bag here. Let's go. Give me your hand.
Brother, my husband.
Your husband, huh?
Yes, he doesn't stay at home lately. His attitude has changed completely. He doesn't eat my food. He doesn't sleep with me. I don't know. I've lost a child. And I don't want to lose him. Losing my husband, I'm going to get crazy. I'll go mad.
When Nadia and I started having problems, I never thought for a second Mother could be the root cause of this. Until we went to see one man of God who told me everything about this family. Trudy, do you know that Mother is the queen of the world of witches? And now this is the time for her to step down. And for her to do it successfully, she needs to make 5 great sacrifices. What? You won't believe it, baby. You won't.
Why? Is that why? She killed my son, my daughter?
It could be. And do you know that she's the cause of our inability to have kids in this house? Look, this big house. Not even a single child, though, single baby. To just crawl, just spoil my car. Nobody. And you also know that Moses collected his stick from me. Do you?
What do you mean?
I mean, I lost my manhood until this man of God prayed for me.
And do you have it back?
Acha! It's there, it's right there, baby. It's there.
I'm serious, brother. Stop joking. I'm
joking.
Serious. So what do I do now? I need to act now.
You have to act as fast as submarine before you lose everything, baby. I know you don't want to lose Ken.
I don't want to lose
What
Ken.
about Priscilla?
No.
Yeah, you see? You got to act very fast, dear. Very fast. Because the woman we are dealing with, the man of God told me that the closer she is to you, the easier she just grab you like that. Baby, she's a dangerous woman.
So you're telling me, now that you have your manhood, soon your wife is going to get pregnant?
Oh, baby. That one day for sure.
But I need to act now. I need to do something.
Very fast, dear. Very fast, I would advise you.
I really
very
need to
fast.
do something. Look, you have to take me to this man of God.
I will take you there, sister. I will take you. Just...
I've already lost my child. I can't lose my husband.
I know.
Yes.
I know.
I've lost my daughter. I can't lose.
I know. You are my only sister. I'm not going to sit down to let that thing happen, right? Just calm down. Everything will be fine. Calm down.
Could you take your filthy hands off my child? Could you do that simple instruction for me? Take your filthy hands off her. Could you take your filthy hands off my child? Oh! God! God! My child! Hey, yeah. Mother! Jesus Christ! Jesus! Jesus! Oh my... Mother! I swear, if anything happens to my daughter, I will not spare you. I will not spare you. Are you okay? Can I get some water? God. Jesus. Jesus. You're a witch. I was saying it, I couldn't believe it. You're a witch. I regret having you as a mother. God, my daughter. My only daughter. My only daughter. My only daughter. Jesus, somebody help me. My only daughter. Enough is enough. Get out of my house. Yes, enough is enough. Leave my house before I lose my husband. Yes! Quiet as I speak. Mom, I said get out before I lose the only child I have now. Get out! Trudy, don't let me push you. Where do you want me to go? Anywhere. You are a witch.
Me, a witch?
Yes.
Ah!
Albert said it.
Oh!
Oh no, she.
Oh,
no, she only
me, a witch?
Yes, you did it to Benny.
Oh,
and I will not allow you.
I
will not look at you. Quiet!
Trudy.
Out!
Trudy, what has come over you?
Get out!
What has come over you?
Get out before I get angry.
You hurt me, please.
I will not look at you to kill Priska for me. Now out.
See?
Out, mother.
God help me.
Mother!
Who will believe me?
Mother, out!
Who will believe me?
I don't even know. I can't even believe if you're my real mother. I can't believe
Daddy, come back.
you are my mother.
Come back.
I can't believe it. You're a witch. Out! Out before I go. Please.
You tear my dress.
Out! Out!
Leave me alone. Hey!
Mother, get out.
You will hurt me.
I really do not want to push you, but if you push me, I will do it.
If you hurt me, you will take me to the hospital.
Out! Witchcraft! Get out!
Jesus Christ!
Out!
Jesus Christ, help me!
Get out, mother!
What has come
You are
over you?
witch! Why? You killed my daughter and you want to kill the rest for me? You want to kill my husband?
Trudy, what has come over you? Why? The Lord is my shepherd. I shall know what I
Mother, don't annoy me.
Please.
Don't annoy me!
Please, Trudy, please.
I say out! Out!
Go.
Out!
Trudy!
Out,
you
mother!
hurt me. I'm your mother.
Say out!
I'm your mother.
Out!
Jesus Christ, this woman.
Yes, Albert said it.
When will
He
I
said
go
it.
to-
When Albert threw you out,
What do you want me to do?
I went fighting for you. Where?
Trudy, I'm not a
Go
witch,
to
I'm
the
telling
bush.
you. I am not.
Go to the bush.
Trudy,
Go. Mom, leave my house. Oh, leave my house.
I've been here with you for some months.
Yes, and you killed one of my children. You did.
I am not a witch.
And you killed one of my children.
Me killed your
Yes,
child.
as if you're watching TV.
God forbid.
You've sacrificed my child for position. Out! Don't annoy me. Out! Do I care? Look, she's finding a place to sit. Out! Say, out! Whoa, and you're not picking anything out.
Let me take my
You're not picking
Trudy,
anything.
let me take
I
my
bought them for you. When I was you out, I bought new clothes for you. Out! Go! Go!
Let me.
Quick, go out! Let you what? Out! Witch! 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 Out and stop talking. Out! I say get out! Get out, mother! Get out! Oh! Shame! Shame unto you! Witchcraft! Nice witchcraft! Nice arm robber! Oh! Shame! I regret having you as a mother. I regret. And let me see you close to my gate. Let me see. Shame! Albert said it and I couldn't believe it. You've killed one of my children. And now you want to kill the rest, eh? You want to kill my husband. Family finally will get to you. Shame. Let me see you closer. I'll pour water on you. Shame.
Out of her house tonight.
Who? Why?
Well, she accused me of being a witch. I went round, nowhere to sleep. I came to your house. I knocked on your door. Nobody came out. So I slept on somebody's veranda till this morning.
Pity you.
First, Ahmed threw me out. Judy has also thrown me out. So I said, let me come and plead with you if you can allow me to stay with you for some few days. So that... What made me most was this is everything of mine. Everything. Including the Bible with which I have to pray.
I would have helped. But this is my new boyfriend. He won't allow me to accommodate you.
A boyfriend?
Oh, my new boyfriend.
Sisi, because of your new boyfriend, right? But you remember you gave me an advice. There was a time you gave me an advice to throw a Siamba out of my house.
Ajua, for that one.
You listen to me. How would I know? This is my punishment. Or that caused the whole thing. That brought about all these problems.
Oh, Ajua, don't put the blame on me. I gave you the advice, whether you like it or you leave it. Can't you say that? Yeah. Please. Within a short time, my boyfriend will come in. And in fact, it's going to be a hard time for me.
Hey.
Leave my shop.
Hey.
Please leave my shop. Don't put me into this trouble.
Sisi.
Please.
Are you asking me to get out of this house?
Ajua. Get me out of this trouble. Please.
Sissy, are you asking me to get out of your store?
Please, leave my shop. I don't want any crocodile tears to see.
Thank you for telling me this. Thank you for telling me. Alright, can I have some few coins?
Since morning I haven't sold anything. I don't have money on me.
Hey!
The market isn't all that good.
Thank you. So, right.
Ajua, please leave my shop before my boyfriend gets in here.
Hey!
Okay, I'll see you later. How can I know whether you are a witch or not? Hey, only God knows. Charlotte.
Yes, ma'am.
Get me my makeup.